I was going to record this on my phone, so pardon the movement and wobbling around and suboptimal audio, and I don't even remember what I set the video quality to. So anyway, these roots that are crossing over, small roots crossing over the main roots, sort of at the crown of the tree. This is a dawn redwood, which is a beautiful tree. The leaves, and these are leaves, they're not, it's not evergreen. They're delicate and they really beautiful in spring. And then they turn kind of a yellow and then brown, or sort of an orange color almost, and then fall off. But anyway, these roots, see how this one I already cut off a while back. See how it was digging into the main trunk here. Well, at the crown of the tree, basically, at the one of the main roots coming off the trunk. And if you leave them that way, it'll just keep getting worse and worse. And I think it's just not good for the tree. So these are really small roots anyway. We're just going to trim those off. So I've got my Felco pruners and my hatchet here. So I already trimmed this one off. I'm just going to clean that up a little bit. But I'm just going to trim it. See how that sprung off of there? It's like tight like a banjo. So we'll just get those out of the way. I already cut this one off in the past. This one here. But I noticed there was another one here. See how tight that is? There's another one. Those will keep getting bigger. See how it's like spring loaded, because this trunk, the root off of the trunk is continuing to grow, and then this grows and gets thicker, and it just keeps putting more pressure on it. Kind of like strangle that main root there. I don't know if it'd really strangle it, but I think it's really just not a good idea to let those grow like that and work themselves into the trunk. Cut the trunk. I think we're okay over there. All right, here's another root. Kind of starting over here and going over top, almost at the crown of the tree. Kind of goes over here, back underground again. That's really tight. So we'll just cut that off. See how loose it is now? This is Molly Hatchet. If you're younger, you probably don't know who that is. I also brought my Felco 2 pruners. Awesome pruners. I've had these for probably 20 years now. Wonderful pruners. Some maples are beautiful this time of year. Okay, here's another one. Just going across here. You see how this one's kind of already embedded itself all the way down here. This one's all right. I'm going to leave that one alone. But again, we're just going to trim that off. Use my pruners this time, since we don't really have a good place to whack it with the hatchet. Sorry, I'm just trying to do this with one hand and hold the phone. Oh, there we go. So that comes down here, and we'll just slip it off there. There you go. That's another one. Don't want to forget Molly. I see you hiding there.